Hello artists, today you'll be creating a bird puppet. So you'll take your paper bag, and I'm writing with a marker so you can see, but you'll use pencil, and just write your name and your class code. And when you put the cap on, make sure you put it on all the way till you hear the click. Then you're ready to start coloring your bird parts. I've pre-colored most of mine just to save time. And I wanted to show you a trick with markers. You can color like this on top of your marker, or you can come from the side. I'm turning my marker on its side and just dragging it. And that's a lot quicker. Cover a lot more space. Get those white spots. For me, it works out best to outline first. Then I won't go out of the lines. I just go back, use the side of my marker. And you don't have to use markers if you don't want to. You can use crayons or color pencils. That's fine. Alright, once I've got all those white spots, I'm ready to put my cap on and begin cutting. Again, I pre-cut most of my things to save time. I'll demonstrate here. You're going to cut thumb in the little hole, fingers in the big hole, and cut on that thick black line. Instead of turning your hand like this, because that hurts, turn your entire paper so that you're always cutting forward. You're always cutting away from yourself. There you go. And then, as soon as you're done cutting, and a great challenge is to try to cut so that you only get one scratch. I'm going to take that scratch over here to the recycling. And now you're ready to begin gluing. On the back, you'll see these wavy lines. Those wavy lines are where you're going to match up the wings. You should not see the colorful part when you glue it down on the back. So when you're gluing, take your glue stick and you're just putting glue on those X's. And then you're taking those X's, that sticky part, matching it up with those wavy lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make sure you hold it down for 5 seconds so it really sticks. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now the back of my bird puppet is done. Now I get to do the front. So this is the belly part. Put glue all over the back of the belly. We want to put glue on the back of our parts instead of on the bag. That way we don't put glue where we don't need it. So look, I'm lifting that flap up and I'm putting that belly right below the face. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I can add my feet. And if you look on the back, the feet have X's too, right where you need to glue. Same with the eyes, of course. They have X's. And a little more glue. And last but not least, the beak. Put glue only on the X part. That. And it's up to you. You can make your beak go sideways or forwards. It's up to you. I want to make mine go sideways. Like that. And you're all done. Have fun!